Welcome back, SolidWorks users. Today, we're setting up a basic motion simulation featuring a spring. Let's get started. In your SolidWorks session, begin by tapping the new Motion Study icon. From the drop-down list of study types, select Basic Motion to allow for a dynamic simulation. Now click on the spring icon in the Motion Study toolbar. Choose the linear spring type and select the two faces where the spring will be attached. For the spring parameters, set the spring constant to 1 Newton per millimeter and the free length to 100 millimeters. Lastly, adjust the spring display parameters as needed for a clear view of the spring in your simulation. To add the spring to your simulation, click the green check mark. Observe how the spring interacts with the mass by clicking the gravity icon and setting the simulation to Gravity Affecting the Mass. With these steps, you've set the stage for a basic motion simulation. Next time, we'll run the simulation and analyze the results. Keep designing and see you in the next tutorial.